doing unboxing today. I just got this box from Japan. Look at all the cute little stamps. This is the homework kit that arrived from Bryan Whitehead. I'm going to be attending his Japanese Textile Workshop in September 2023. Right now it's May 2023, and he sent it to me nice and early because there is a lot of preparation to do before we get to Japan. So let's see what's in the homework box. There's going to be fabric and other projects that we need to design and sew in advance so that we have it already behind us by the time we get to Japan. So I've got a tough label here. This package was definitely wrapped for international travel, even though I don't think there's anything breakable in here. Almost there. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, so doesn't look like a lot, but it is. It is. I have done this before. This will be my 8th workshop with Bryan this year. I love it so much. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Okay, so first of all, we've got the special Shibori thread. It's very important that you use the thread that Bryan sends, because this is really extra strong. And I prefer to have it in black, but it's really hard to find the black. So obviously white was only available right now. There's 1,000 meters in here. Then I have 2 pens with the disappearing ink. And this is a Japanese brand that is preferred. But if you run out of these, you can use similar disappearing markers that you can get at the various hobby sewing stores like Michael's or Joann, Amazon, and so on, but they do fade faster. Here is a cutting knife, and this one's an Olfa brand. You could either use this or an X-Acto knife if you prefer. Then we have 2 pieces of the, let's see, 3 pieces. 1, 2, 4. We've got 4 this time. Okay. So we have 4 pieces of persimmon stencil paper. This is going to be for the Katazome project. And we are going to keep this full rectangle intact, but we're going to cut a design into these shapes. And that'll be covered in a separate video. And then next we have some paper patterns. This is where Bryan has worked out ahead of time how he wants certain projects stitched. So we've got 3 variations here. So we've got one in lines, we've got one with a half drop alternating dots, and then let's see, this one is this one is also in line or stripes, but with different spacing. So these are gonna all be for different katana projects, I believe. So again, I'll be covering all of these in separate videos, but I just wanna show you what's in the box. And then now the fabric. Wait, everything's so nicely packaged. Let's see, where's the opening? I wanna keep the sticky stuff so I can reseal it. Okay, so now we have, first, this is a piece of crinkled linen. It's this really absolutely exquisite linen from Japan. It's about, I would say it's about 60 centimeters wide. It's about double width of a kimono, and then it's about 2 meters long. So this will make a beautiful wrapped scarf or, shawl. It would also could be used as a table covering or a throw over a chair, that kind of thing. I recommend keeping this as a large piece. It's a lot of sewing. I'm going to show you some finished pieces that I've done in the past, but it is really, really worth it. Now, this is something I highly recommend that you allow at least a month to work on this if you're just doing like a little each day or a few days a week of the stitching. And, you know, please allow time for it. It's very, very worthwhile. So that is gorgeous, and the crinkles are part of the character of the fabric. You don't iron that. Now what we have are, this is high quality cotton that is also in a kimono size. It's 30 centimeters wide by 1 meter long. And Bryan has marked the first 3 rows and actually sewn the first 3 rows. And this is what we're going to use some of these paper patterns for later in projects. So we've got 3 variations of that with some notes, extra 5, 2 stitches, extra fine. We've got another one, and I'll be going over each of these in a separate video. Each one will give different results. They look similar, but we're going to get absolutely stunning and so many variations of results. So there we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of the kimono cotton, 1 of the linen, and then all of our tools, thread, stencils, and patterns. So that's everything right there. Check back later on my channel, both TikTok and YouTube, to see more videos.